SalvageBid Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you've ever thought about buying salvage vehicles or equipment online, the SalvageBid app promises to make the process faster and more convenient, but is it really worth your time? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming you need a desktop computer to participate in auctions. The app lets you browse, bid, and track auctions from anywhere, giving you real-time updates on vehicles, trucks, motorcycles, and heavy equipment. You can filter by location, type, or damage, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Another advantage is bidding transparency. The app shows current bids, auction end times, and historical sale prices, helping you make informed decisions. Notifications alert you if you're outbid or if an auction is closing soon, so you won't miss opportunities. Additionally, the app allows you to manage multiple bids and watch lists simultaneously, which is a huge time saver for frequent buyers. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional lag during peak auction times, which can affect bidding accuracy. Vehicle images may be limited, requiring extra research to assess condition. Also, not all auctions support mobile payments, meaning you might need to complete certain transactions on a desktop. In conclusion, the SalvageBid app is a powerful tool for anyone looking to participate in salvage auctions on the go. The surprising truth is that while it greatly improves accessibility and bidding management, careful research and patience are still essential to avoid mistakes or overbidding. For buyers serious about salvage vehicles or equipment, the app is highly convenient, but combining it with desktop access and detailed inspection reports is the best strategy to make smart purchases.